Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will make a DIY smoke remover from all these parts. They all are recycled. Let's begin. If we share the same passion for electronics, then when you want to solder, you can see now is this annoying smoke. I have seen a video when he proves then when you stay like this, the smoke will always come to your face. It's not Murphy's law, it's just physics. Because the air currents, and this smoke it's not very healthy, and that's why everyone needs a fan who can take out this smoke. Now I will show you the parts. First of all, it's this motor and fan. It's from this hair dryer. I will use only these parts, this for protection and this. Now let's test this motor. I don't know what is the voltage for this motor because doesn't write nothing on it, but I decided to use 4 volts. Now at 4 volts it takes 0.15 amps, and because I want to move this everywhere I need, I decided to make it wireless, and I will use this batteries. They are salvaged from laptop battery. They were tested and they are good. I will use this one SBMS to charge these batteries, and for protection to disconnect the batteries when the threshold is too low and protect the batteries. And this was made from the bad printer. First of all, let's make the case. I will bend this. I will use hot air to bend this. Now this is good. It's not perfect because I don't have a 3D printer, but it's good. I hope, yes. This is the place for the battery, for the charging controller. Please tell me in a comment if you like this case. Now let's move further. I need something to grab this, and this this will be the final shape. Now I have to find a solution. I think I will use this. Now all the parts are prepared and I just have to put everything together. I made this channel here. I will put this plate. I will show you. This is here. This is here. I will bend these parts to close this. And I will mount this here. It's noisy, but it's working. Now I have to mount this power switch here in the back. Now I will fix this. I have to take out this power button because I have to put these wires on position. I will put here this screw and this will be here inside. Now we are almost ready. I have to put the battery inside. And this BMS. And make the connections. I put everything together and this is the final product. I just have to make the bottom, and I will make from this piece of plastic. Now let's make a first test. I hope that you can see that now the smoke is going in the other direction. It's not coming to me. I hope that you can see in the video. Now I just have to make this piece for the bottom. Now that's the final product. I put the bottom. I must say it's not as powerful as I expecting, but it's working. After some tests, if I need more power, I will put a step-up module inside to power this motor from 6 volts. If you made it so far, please give a big like. See you in my next video. Bye.